Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am here with another video. Today I have a story for your toddlers. The story name is The King of Fruits. Mango is the king of fruits. The king is at his court. All the fruits come to the court. May I speak, king? Asks the apple. May I speak, king? Asks the orange. May I speak, king? Asks the pear. Of course you can, but one at a time, says the king. I am the best of all the fruits, says the apple. No, I am the best, says the orange. No, I am the best, says the pear. Mango, the king smiles. Stop. We are all equal. We are all healthy fruits, says the king. We all have our own special taste. Pomegranate, a friend of the king, comes to the court and says, I am the fruit of Jannah. And I agree with the king that we are all equal. The orange, pomegranate, mango, apple, and pear smile. They are all happy. Allah Hafiz. For more stories, please subscribe my channel.